You guys ready for it?
Yep.
It's almost your birthday.
Yeah.
Cherry. Oh, Pi is back at the baby watermelon again. Sure, you can each have one. Fine, you can do one. Sure, you can do one.
I'll buy this so I can.
You like romaine? We got gooseberries today. Cassie's request, never tried them. And cotton candy grapes are amazing. Alright, cards are getting full. Pickles, you want pickle relish too? Hey guys, and welcome back to another Trader Joe's grocery haul. So we just went to Trader Joe's. It's this one's 7th birthday tomorrow. So we did get some extra special treats that I normally wouldn't buy, but I figure that Trader Joe's is a little healthier than most places. So this stuff can't be that bad, right? Well, maybe. There's quite a bit of sugar. But anyhow, I'm gonna go through and show you the stuff that is new, so it's different from our other grocery hauls, because there's always the staples that we get. I may mention a couple. But let's just start out with these. So I always let my kids choose one kind of special chip or something because they have quite a bit. This is what they chose today. They are like Pringles, but not. Again, figure they're a little bit healthier. Also for my daughter's birthday and her friends. They love Oreos, or the thought of them, because I don't know if they've ever even tried an Oreo, but this is Trader Joe's version. So they're a little bit healthier. 12 grams of sugar, so not too shabby. Also, this cinnamon raisin bread. This is new to them. My husband absolutely loved this when we lived in California. He ate this on a regular basis. So this is a special treat. Just put some coconut oil on it. It tastes absolutely delicious. Also, you could make French toast with this, which would be really, really good. They are obsessed with seaweed, so I got this. This is their gluten-free variety. They also have ones that's not, that one that is not gluten-free. So I chose the gluten-free because why not, right? These, so if you've ever had a stuffed Cliff Bar, they are really, really good. This is Trader Joe's variety. Haven't tried them before, but I'm actually really excited. There's only 6 grams of sugar in one bar, so that's really good. Excited to try those. Salsa Verde tortilla chips. These sound super yummy. They're gluten-free. Got those too. And then some organic potato chips, or organic corn tortilla chips. Got some of those. Peanut butter puffins. My kids love peanut butter anything, so we got some peanut butter puffins. Unsweetened applesauce. Always good too. We got these last time, but my kids really like these, so we usually get a box or so. Different flavors. These corn dippers are fantastic. They're kind of like Fritos wannabe, just a bit healthier because they're organic. So non-GMO corn. Always go non-GMO. And then let's see, this was actually a really big hit. We got it last time. We hadn't tried it before. I had said I got it for my mom who has a nut allergy. There is actually other nuts in here, so she couldn't eat it, but my kids all really loved it. Freeze-dried strawberries. These are gonna be for my daughter's Sundaes. So we're making those tomorrow for her friends. We got bananas. Cherries. Cherries something you want to always go organic on, so I bought the organic cherries. Oh, and the Z-bars. You saw in the video, I let them all choose a Z-bar. That's exciting. Some guacamole. Usually I love making my own, but I have so much to do tomorrow that I wanted to choose some pre-made. So that's organic, which is nice. pork tamales. Again, got this last time. My son loved them, requested them. Makes a really easy dinner. And then we got some more fish nuggets. These, again, make an easy dinner. And they're healthier than most. So for that, organic salsa, tomatoes, you always want to go organic. So also want to go organic salsa and ketchup if you do that. And then we got some taquitos. I always try to find the ones without cheese. They're not always easy to find. So when I see them, I buy them because, again, another easy food to make. Ooh, these, I'm really excited about these. So apparently my kids had these at my aunt's house when they were in San Diego. They're just tiny little mini cones, dairy-free. Excited about that. They're tiny, and so, well, it says 6 cones is 29 grams of sugar. That's about 5 grams of sugar per cone, which is a great treat. So I'm excited about that. Cannon's calling my name, so hold on for a second. So we did a quick counter cleanup, and now we're going to show you some more stuff. So their sparkling water is delicious, so we did that. Let me just put this back here, excuse me, Vicky. This is also for the treat that I mentioned earlier. Set that aside. Pickle relish, I love that they have organic, so isn't that cashew butter? This is so yummy in the bars that I make. Love doing that. Hey, can you go give them some more puffs, sweetie? Peanut butter, Kaya eats this by the jar, so we got some of their peanut butter. And then these pickles, they're my favorite. Just like a little pickle, something salty every now and again. Organic, reduced sugar jelly. So my kids love PB&J sandwiches, but I hate all the sugar that's in a lot of them. So this is reduced sugar. It has about 50% less than the normal ones. Another Z-bar for another child. And then these melons are actually supposed to be sweeter than cantaloupes. They're very similar, but we are going to test it out to see if they are actually sweeter. I've had them before. They're really good, but we'll just see on that exact one. Organic lettuce, again, something you should always buy organic. Shishito peppers, it's Caston's absolute favorite food, snack, whatever. He asked for them for pretty much everything. Organic cucumber, this was a very long one. So you want to find cucumbers that are actually skinnier so they don't have as big of seeds inside. There you go. You okay, buddy? So they don't have as much seeds inside. So if you can find thinner, longer ones, are actually better. And then they had these sugar-free winter mints. I like to have mints every now and again. Organic butter substitute, so that's vegan. This is a huge hit. Again, there's kind of a lot of sugar in here. Well, I guess 6 grams, really 5 servings, so not too much in the whole bag, but my family loves it, and this is the, ooh, okay. Healthy kombucha. I'm actually really excited about this. I want some right now. I love kombucha. It's great for digestive system. Find ones that have less sugar in them because some of them it's actually crazy. And you want to make sure because this is like 2, well, no. This bottle is 1 serving. I usually drink about half of a bottle, but sometimes it'll say 2 servings per bottle. And so you're like, oh, there's only 9 grams of sugar in. Well, it's really 18 for the whole bottle, so. Super yummy. Pink Lady apples are my absolute favorite. I'm not gonna say it tastes exactly like a Pink Lady apple, but it is really good. Organic olive oil. I try to always buy my olive oil organic just because of the process and everything that it goes through. And then we got some skipjack tuna last time. And then these are cod fillets. So these are more expensive than your typical nugget. They're also bigger, but the quality is a bit better, so. That should be good. Let's see what else we have. On the fish side, smoked salmon. I absolutely love putting this on my avocado toast and with an egg, and this is absolutely fantastic. Makes for a great little meal, and then on salads too. Add a little bit extra protein. Ooh, and mint. I bought some mint because my AeroGarden mint died, and I'm really excited to sprout this. So if you didn't know, you can actually sprout mint. You just buy mint in a package like this, put it in some water, make sure it has plenty of sunlight, and it'll sprout and start growing. Mint grows very easily. It's also very finicky, so you have to be careful, but that's why I bought this. Some blueberry waffles. We don't always have waffles, but they're nice to have on hand for the treat, again, for my daughter. Ooh, cotton candy grapes. These grapes are to die for. I mean, I'm not a huge grape fan, to be honest. Yes. But cotton candy grapes literally taste like cotton candy. Is it good? Let me see. Not all the packages taste like that.
Does it actually taste like cotton candy?
These ones are more green grape than cotton candy, in my opinion.
These are good. I like them.
But they're fine.
Yeah.
They actually have seeds in them. These are not the best ones that I've ever had. They're organic, so can't go too wrong. They are more expensive than grapes, like your typical grape though.
I think they're good. Yeah.
Organic strawberries.
Okay, what's this? You should try them. You should try them. They're good.
For treat, for the treats. Almond milk. Let me just find this stuff. It's a little bit different. Oh, peaches. I like to buy organic peaches. They didn't have any. These are frozen. I want to make a peach smoothie, so that's what I bought.
Yeah.
Yeah. You buy organic when you can. Sometimes it just doesn't work out, and that's totally fine. I bought more corn because corn season is only really during the summer, so when I can find corn, I buy it. Ooh, and these jicama wraps. These are so good. I mean, you can make tacos or whatever. I would say putting some avocado in here and some, like that salmon that I bought would be so yummy. Makes for a quick little meal. This pizza, the vegan pizza we had bought last time was actually a big hit with my girls, so I'm excited for that.
Yeah. It's good.
Ooh, and this cauliflower. I absolutely love rainbow cauliflower, so.
Whoa. I've never actually seen that. What?
And then we bought these little cherry plums. I have not had a cherry plum, but they're super cute, so we are trying those.
I'm so fun.
And I know. And then this. So this is a vegetable stir fry. I like making my own vegetables and stir frying them myself, but when I'm in a rush, like we're running home from gymnastics or trying to go to gymnastics or soccer or whatever, it's nice to have something like this on hand. So again, healthy convenience is what we are all about, especially when you're with kids or just busy. I mean, even if I was single and working and trying to go to the gym and stuff, coming home, trying to make a healthy meal can be tough. So remember, diet is like 80% of how you look. Yes, working out is super important so you get lean and fit and feel great, but eating healthy really is super, super important. So if you can find stuff that's healthy and convenient and tasty, then it's the win for everything. So thanks again for watching our grocery haul. I hope you found something yummy that you like. Comment down below if you want to see me make one of these recipes, and I'm happy to share. Gotta go take care of Cannon and get ready for this girl's birthday. So we'll see you guys soon. Comment how much you spent. Remember to like and subscribe because it lets us know that you like these videos and that we keep. So, yeah. Bye guys.